Before we move on to the next sections, we need to quickly look at how to create a virtual environment for Python. A virtual environment is a lightweight, self-contained Python installation that users can create without needing administrator rights on their system. If you're using Python 3.3, then you should already have a tool called pyvenv installed on your system. You can verify this by running it from the command line. If you don't have pyvenv installed, there is another tool, virtualenv, that you can get from the Python package index. This works very similarly. You can use either pyvenv or virtualenv in this course, and we'll use pyvenv for the examples. Using pyvenv is very simple. You simply specify the directory to contain your new virtual environment. The tool creates the new directory and populates it with the installation. Once the environment is created, you can activate it by using the activate script in the environment's bin directory. On Linux or Mac OS X, you have to source the script. On Windows, you simply run it. Once you do this, your prompt will change to remind you that you're in the virtual environment. And most importantly, the Python that will execute when you run Python is from the virtual environment. We'll be using virtual environments in the following sections, so make sure you can create them before moving on.